So I have an unexpected watch unboxing. I did not plan to get this watch, but it was really cheap online, and it was one of the watches I was looking at prior to getting my work watch, and I'm not sure if that was a good idea or not. Probably not. Right off the bat, this packaging looks sketchy. I mean, I can't really believe that there's a watch in here. This is not a watch. It's the glass for my phone. Another nice box. Very different. This is a Citizen watch. You can read that. Paperwork. Oh, do I twist? Nice. Look at that. You know, watches always look bigger in video and in pictures. And then when I open it up, it's not as big as I thought. I guess it's, you know, the camera puts on 10 pounds to the watch. That's hefty. This is the Citizen Avion. This comes in at 45 millimeters. It's the Eco Drive. This is a pilot's watch. This is gonna be a bit bigger. The strap seems really thick. You're not buying the watch for the strap, but having a nice strap would be nice. I always like to examine the glass. Nice shiny crystal. Shall we try it on? Yeah, so off the get-go, these holes are very awkward. There we go. Yeah, that strap is too big for me. It's upside down because it's on my left hand. Yeah, immediately as soon as you put it on a wrist, the watch like doubles in size. It looks gigantic. It's a pretty thick watch. Today is the 23rd. Cool. So it's 4:05 right now. And setting the time. The crown is very easy to manipulate. Thanks for watching this review, or rather this unboxing of the Citizen Avion. I don't think I'm gonna do a review on this watch. It's actually not my watch. I got it as a gift. But until next time, I'll be seeing you.